find where June's gone now. She's up here somewhere. Picked out a spot, but I think it might be taken. He's up here talking to a fella. See where we're going. Pick her up, see what's going on.
Go over a bit, that's it, come down like that. There he is. He's moving, yep. Everything's intact. Keep going. Yep. Yep. Keep going. Tim's just getting the van put into place, then we'll set it all up. I don't know what time it is, we'll probably have lunch. I just don't know. Come back a bit more.
No, he's going to need to go across.
No, a bit more. That's it there. Stop there.
Spread a little out.
Beg your pardon?
See if it's level.
Hey?
Gotta go forward.
You got to go forward.
Yeah. So that way these wheels are up on this mound.
Or you come back.
I think we need to be over first too. Yeah, come over another half a metre. Yeah. Come over another half a metre so that the van's about here.
You alright then?
Well, finally got it all set up. Done our washing. Taken all day to do our washing since we got here this morning. I thought, oh shoot, I forgot you all. So anyway, show you around what we've got. Solar panel out here. Solar panel up on the roof. That one just slides out. It's permanently fixed up there, but it does go up and down. The one on the side here, it does the same. It slides out. The top goes down, and then we slide it back in, bolt it all in. It's got some locking tabs that we usually screw into the end. Another solar panel here for when the sun's actually here. So it's taken us all day to, like I said, all day to get where we are. Got our washing done at least. Got dinner on. Bangers and mash. But yeah, June's over here. Already got a line in. Got it soaking. Got two in actually. I still get to put mine in. So yeah. How'd you go with this one?
I put it in.
How'd you find it casting? Pretty good?
It's light.
Yeah, well it should be.
Real light.
Yep. That's the one I, like I was telling you, I got out of one of the bins when I was dumpster diving.
That would have been out of
BCF.
BCF.
Yeah, so it's amazing what you can get out of BCF bins. But anyway, we're going to sit back and relax, just sort of bring us along. We've been busy flat out, and we're back on the Condamine River. We will put up a screenshot of where we are. We can't quite pronounce the name of it. It starts with a Y. It's Weir. The Weir's down there, and tomorrow I'll chuck up the drone and give you a flight of the old river. Mum got a fish? Mum get a fish, Gary? What's Mum got over here? What's she got? Hey, you got a decent keepable fish. We better measure that. Just put down the grass. That's a yellow. Golden perch. Here, take everyone so you know what you're doing. Oh, look!
I thought it was stuck on a limb on the bottom, but as soon as I started wheeling it in, it wanted to pull. Oh, I got myself a fish. I got myself a fish, yay! There you go. Here he comes.
I'm not dragging the other measurers out, but this will do. Good old tape measure. You can measure a 3 metre bloody thing. And guess what? That's legal limit. That's actually 31 centimetres, and you're allowed 30 centimetres, so that's pretty damn good for me. Guess what?
What?
You're skinning it, gutting it, and all that sort of
with you.
Yeah, you could. You got to release. You got to get the hook out.
Excuse me, I've been looking after the line.
Yeah, all right. Yeah,
you can do the rest.
Yeah, hang on to that then. Well, he's easy done.
And my new reel too.
Yeah, the one we got out of BCF bin when I was dumpster diving. What'd you get that on? Shrimp?
No.
Stinky old worm?
Yeah.
I can't even get the goddamn hook out. There we go. Righto.
Here you go, Dad. We can have that.
I better go and get the bucket and put him in the bucket. He's capable size, that. Yeah, you better get some more bait. Morning everyone. We've struck some luck with our fishing side of it. Didn't get that on camera of course, but we landed a fish. A bit bigger than yesterday. This is on my line. So on one up on June, this is a bigger one. This one's at 41 centimetres. I don't know whether you can see that there. There we go, I'll clean that, see 41. But anyway, nice size yellow. I'll even straighten that out. Still measures out at 41. That's almost 41 and a half. Not bad yellow. Anyway, we'll get to and deal with that one. It's been a glorious morning, I reckon. Seen the sunrise and all that sort of thing this morning. Baited all the lines back up again. Got the solar into gear. It's supposed to be about 30 odd, and we're going to do a bit.
31.
31, is it? Oh, yep. Okay. Got a bit of work to do with the boat. Got to unload the boat and sort out where we're going to put the trailer. We've got the trailer in the back of the canopy. I'm having a bit of issues. But anyway, that's part of travelling on the road and enjoying the fishing. Loving it. Anyway, well, June not. I spent all day yesterday editing. She was out doing the lines and all that sort of thing. So yeah. But anyway.
Yeah, I'm suffering for it.
Well, that's part of camping, isn't it?
No, it's not.
It is. It is. But anyway.
No, it's not.
We got here and the place was all grotty and that sort of thing. We've cleaned up around here, picked up all the rubbish, and yeah. Anyway, get back to doing our fishing. Garfield's outside even.
Oh, we had to go at the fish.
Yeah, he's had a go at the old fish. Anyway, we'll get to and deal with this one. Been an epic day for the day, catching that fish this morning. We haven't had no luck for the rest of the day, but anyway, we're almost ready to ship them out tomorrow, so we thought we'd show you how we do our cooking outside and that sort of thing. So you probably noticed that we did do some veggies up and that sort of thing in the pot. That lid is pretty tight. We got some cauliflower, carrots, pumpkin, peas and potato in there. So all we do with that, we've got an old pot here. You probably notice it's an old pot. We've had it for years, since we've been on the road. As you might know, we've been on the road for a good 17 years. And I used to make these fire buckets, used to go up to Longreach there and sell 40 each month. That was a good profitable little business. So yeah, but things didn't last real good there and we had to relinquish that and let it go. So yeah, it's only because we didn't have a place to make them. Things have changed and evolved and we've changed our life and yeah, done a lot of other stuff. But anyway, June's still over here fishing, so we'll be heading out in the morning and yeah, she's just checking the lines out. She's been doing a fair bit of the fishing. I've been doing a lot of editing and computer work, and I'll tell you what, this is a spectacular spot. This will be coming back. Totally love this, don't we, Dale? We love this place, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it's, you know, it was a bit of a tight squeeze getting in here, but we were able to get in here. Anywhere's possible as long as you can drive it. All we've got to do is back up there tomorrow when we're hooked up and go around that corner there and out we go, shoot her out. So yeah, I got all the stuff sorted out for the boat and organised that. Sometimes you don't know whether you can fit stuff. The trailer, I actually got it out of the back of the canopy, which was in there. It was taking up a hell of a lot of room. Sometimes you look at the stuff and you think, well, are you overloaded? If you want to put bait on it, you can put bait on it. But yeah, it's always the way when you think, well, am I overloaded or am I not overloaded? And that's when the best thing to do is to go and get yourself weighed. We are yet to get that done. It may look like we've got a lot of stuff in the back of our canopy, but a lot of the stuff's empty, like got empty containers, fuel containers, that sort of thing, because we're not actually using the boat yet. So when we start using the boat, we'll be carrying fuel, unleaded fuel. We do carry extra diesel and that sort of thing in containers, also for our diesel heater. I better move out of June's road here. She's casting out. That was a good old cast, that one. So yeah, that's the main thing. You've got to watch your weights while you're traveling. Like everything fits in its nooks and crannies. So yeah, but anyway, like I said, we'll be heading out in the morning. So we'll be packing up later on this afternoon and heading out in the morning. Look, Garfield. There you go. Meow. going on out there? Huh? What is it, mate? Go and get it. Get it. Nice steady fire. Good for cooking the old pork chop. Oh, it's not a pork chop, it's a lamb chop, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. Mirror image. Couldn't be any better. Especially while the old chops over here are cooking. Not a breeze in sight. Sun's about to set. Can't see it now. We've had a real cloudy, miserable afternoon. From this morning, a nice sunny morning. So yeah, like I said earlier, we're just about ready to hook up for tomorrow morning, and yeah, so this is where we're going to end it off for you all, so we can hoe into doing this and get our dinner all finished up and pack the rest up before we head off in the morning. So anyway, if you've come this far, don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help our channel along, especially for all of those viewers that haven't subscribed. I will put a QR code up in the corner for you all. So if you're on your TV, you can scan with your phone and go and subscribe. It is free, like I said. So yeah, anyway, June and I will see you in the next one. Cheerio!